Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from TrailBuilt, and this week we are going to be spending the entire week down in Las Vegas for the SEMA convention. Now, I know we're pretty excited about it. This is going to be my first time ever going to SEMA, so I'm really looking forward to seeing all the different new products that are there, meeting a bunch of vendors, and just meeting some of you guys. If you guys haven't heard of SEMA or you really don't know much about it, SEMA was actually started back in the early to mid 60s, which was originally known as the Speed Equipment Manufacturers Association, however is now known as the Special Equipment Market Association. But basically, SEMA was originally started for the hot rod motorsports community, where everybody could get together to show off their aftermarket products, whether it be bolt-on stuff for engines or chassis or frames or whatever it may be, and that now has evolved into just a multi-billion-dollar industry in the aftermarket parts culture or industry. And really, SEMA's mission is to help everybody in the aftermarket community just really grow and prosper as an aftermarket product producing company. So it really gets involved with everything from governmental agencies to supporting businesses, and there's a lot that is involved with the SEMA Association combined as a whole. So together there's over 6,000 total members together, and all of those members are there to support everybody in the aftermarket, in the automotive aftermarket community. So it's really cool. And of course, if you've heard of SEMA before, you guys know that there are thousands of new products that get released at SEMA. There is a massive amount of customized builds, vehicle builds, anything from, the hot rods to this day to custom one-off Jeep builds to UTVs to overlanding builds. And that's really going to be most of our focus is in the off-roading and overlanding community. In fact, SEMA had built an entire hall, an entire west wing, I think they call it, or west hall, that's dedicated strictly to the overlanding and off-roading community. And that's really where we want to spend most of our time. And the biggest thing for us is really, and why we're making this video, guys, is because, the feedback that we want to hear from you. Because basically what we're going to be is we're going to be the eyes and the ears, we're going to be the boots on the ground, but we're not making this video for us. We want to make this video for you and show you guys what is all involved with SEMA, and not only what is all involved with SEMA, but we want to show you guys what is all there. We want to show you all the cool and new innovative products that are going to be introduced at SEMA. We want to show you guys some of the wild and crazy builds that they have there, and really show you guys what's all involved in that West Hall with the overlanding and off-roading community. Want to check out some new wheels, want to check out any new tires that may be available. Maybe they have introduced some brand new sizes that we're not aware of yet or anything like that, but really to give you guys a perspective of what SEMA is actually like, and to show you guys all these new and innovative products, whether it's accessories for Toyotas, Jeeps, maybe there's new types of lights or any kind of, maybe there's new like air down systems for your vehicles. I'm not sure yet, but that's the kind of stuff that we want to show you guys. But we also want to hear back from you in the comments, just the type of things that you guys may want us to go to and film and talk about for the sole purpose of showing you guys. So definitely make sure and let us know in the comments below. That's where we're going to be all week. I think one thing is definitely make sure and stay tuned to our Facebook page, to our Instagram, to our YouTube stories, because we are going to be doing a lot of live videos, a lot of real-time stories to show you guys. So make sure and stay tuned to all of that. Instagram, it's TrailBuilt_offroad. Plus, I'll be posting stuff on my personal Instagram too. That's Josh_from_TrailBuilt on my personal Instagram. So make sure and follow me on there to see a bunch of cool stuff. So we're pretty excited about it because we're we're excited to show you guys, and we think it's going to be a great time. So let us know in the comments if you guys have anything that you want to see, and we'll make sure to do our best to get to it and show you. And other than that, we definitely appreciate all of you for watching and all of your support. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys at the SEMA Show.